It was very nice day. We were enjoying playing soccer. But one of our friend Mr. X was busy on phone doing some research. Sometimes he was looking happy, sometimes he was confused. We decided to talk to him and help him to come out of the confusion. Mr. X is an engineering background businessman. Before starting his business, he worked in several organizations. His ultimate goal was to have a lot of money and live a good life. He started a manufacturing unit 4 years before. He spent day and night, but he was having some issues in manufacturing unit. Issues in consistency. He was facing problems in quality of the product, customer satisfaction, daily operations, growth, productivity. With this inconsistency and issues, he was not able to spend time with friends and family. He tried to study the situation and was somewhere knowing problem is deep in system of the organization. He discussed this issue with other manufacturing friends. He took customers' opinion to improve the situation. He started doing research. He was looking for a system which will help him in for customer satisfaction, a system for consistency and good product quality. He got one solution to this problem, ISO 9001 2015, but he was having some doubts, questions about the quality management system. Questions like, is it user friendly? Will it serve my purpose? Independent working? How can it help me satisfying customers? What will be my involvement? What about organization's new product and development? How will it help my employees? Do I need to change my methods? Potential benefits nationally, globally. Will I need any further systems? Is it globally proven? Is it government agency? Is it oriented? We decided to have a meeting to understand ISO 9001 2015 requirements and try to find out answers to Mr. X questions. We started with some coffee, some more coffee, and again some more coffee. We did write on board lot of things and kept writing again and writing as we got more knowledge. We took help of ISO 9001 2015 QMS model. We did our research and found answers to all of the questions of Mr. X. Now, after all these efforts, we were having only one question in our mind. Did he will say yes or no to ISO 9001 2015 adoption? Let's see if we found all answers to Mr. X question. Is it user friendly? It is designed for any kind of industry, any sector of industry. Organization may be small or big, can adopt ISO 9001 2015. You can design your own process suitable best for your organization by considering ISO requirements. No document or format is mandated to follow as it is. Second question was, will it serve my purpose independent working? This standard is designed to work independently. All responsibilities and authorities need to finalize to work independently. Training for bottom level employee to top management are requirements of these standards for enhancing skills and competencies. All the processes will be set by organization that employees need to follow each time. His third question was, how can it help me satisfying customers? Standard requirements are for process of customer requirements, risk analysis, design and development, and improvement. Organization complies standard requirements of customer complaint, handling system, customer feedback, in-house rejection handling processes. management reviews, monthly information system reviews, internal quality audits, external third party audits are triggers to highlight if issues regularly in customer satisfaction. Next question was about what will be my involvement. Top management is involved in making policies, objectives, providing resources, reviews through MIS, MRM, IQA, and take necessary actions. Establishing all the processes so that each person can play his role independently. His next question was what about organizations' new products development? Well, standard has a requirement for process of new product and services design and development. From customer requirement to customer approval, project planning, supplier management, testing, etc. Next question was how will help employees? The standards requirements for training, skill development, competency, motivations, involvement, facilities, environment for working. It helps for roles, responsibilities, accountability. Next question was do I need to change my existing methods of working? Process with inconsistency will be find out with the gap audit and will align with the standard requirements. So there is no need to change your existing method, you need to alter it. Organizational requirement and standard requirements will be merged to form a process with consistency results. Next question was potential benefits nationally and globally. ISO 9001 2015 is base standard for IATF, Environmental Management System, OSHAs, and aeronautical standards. Several other standards also are using ISO as a base standard. Customer give preference to organizations successfully practicing ISO 9001 2015. This standard is globally proven and is practice supported by more than 160 countries. Will I need any other standard? It was his next question. ISO 9001 2015 is general standard for any sector and any industry and is based for several sector-based standards like auto and aeronautical standards. If your organization plans to enter in these sectors, these organizations will easily adopt new standard as ISO is their base standard. Next question was is it globally proven? This standard has a history of more than 25 years. It is made for ISO which is supported by more than 160 countries. ISO makes several other standards also. Millions of organizations are practicing it globally got benefited. Next question was is it government agency or is it mandated to have this standard? No, ISO is not government agency. It is driven by International Organization for Standards, headquartered in Switzerland, and it is not mandatory to have this standard unless until customer demands. Is it growth oriented standard? Yes, one of the benefit of this standard is consistency in performance and continual improvement. Other beneficial points are statutory and regulatory requirements will be covered in the standards. Risk and opportunities will be covered. Supplier management will be also covered. ISO 9001 2001 15 is a globally proven standard. We came to know a secret tip about ISO 9001 2015 implementation, and that is growth and consistency is equal to understand the standard plus simple implementation plus practice for 24/7. It will give definitely a good growth and consistency. After a lot of study and answers to Mr. X questions, we were waiting for his decision and adoption of ISO 9001 2050 quality management system. Mr. X told us, I had understood the benefits of this standard. I'm going to adopt this quality management system for my organization. Let's play soccer and enjoy.